Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? It is long since we left our classroom due to COVID 19. In this situation, our education friendly government has taken some initiatives, and online program is one of them. So, without wasting any time, let's go to our online class. Welcome to my online class. Before going to our real class, I am going to introduce myself to you. I am Muhammad Abdul Azim and I have been working as an assistant English teacher in Hoimobala Girls High School, Shirazganj. I am going to discuss subject English paper second, and the topic we are going to learn is transformation of sentences and their structural change. And this class is made for the students of class 9 and 10. Look at the following sentences. Number A. Though we take utmost care, we cannot avoid death. Number B. We take utmost care but cannot avoid death. Can you guess? Can you guess what I am going to discuss? Yes, you are right. I am going to discuss transformation of a complex sentence into a compound one. So, at first, I would like to make differences between complex and compound sentences. Complex sentence. A sentence that contains one independent clause and one or more subordinate clauses is called a complex sentence. On the other hand, compound sentence. A sentence that contains two or more main clauses is called a compound sentence. এসো আমরা ব্যাপারটা একটু বুঝি। কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সে একটি স্বাধীন অংশ থাকে এবং এক বা একাধিক পরাধীন অংশ থাকে। অপরপক্ষে কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সে দুই বা ততোধিক স্বাধীন অংশ থাকে। অতএব আমাদেরকে কমপ্লেক্স থেকে কম্পাউন্ড করবার সময় যে কাজটা করতে হবে সেটা হলো সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজগুলোকে আমাকে কী করতে হবে? কোঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ এ পরিণত করতে হবে। এটি হলো আমাদের কমপ্লেক্স থেকে কম্পাউন্ডের মোটামুটি একটা সাধারণ নিয়ম। ওকে, by turning the subordinate clause into a coordinate clause, use and or and so as a coordinating conjunction if an adverb clause starts with the conjunction of reason such as because, since, and as. Complex. Since my uncles were weak, I was slow in learning to walk. So, at first we will write down the subordinate clause, then conjunction and at last we will select main clause. So, the answer will be my uncles were weak and I was slow in learning to walk. Notice here at first I write down the subordinate clause into coordinate clause, then conjunction and then main clause. Okay? The another example is he went to bed early as he was tired. In the previous example, we noticed that the subordinate clause comes first, and here the subordinate clause goes after main clause. So we are bound to set the subordinate clause at the beginning of the compound sentence and then suitable conjunction and main clause. So he, notice, he was tired. So at first in a complex sentence we have to select the subordinate clause. Here he was ill and went to bed early. Or he was tired and so he went to bed early. Remember, if the subjects of two clauses connected by and are the same, the subject after and should be dropped. And if we use and so in place of and, we have to put the subject after and so, after and so. Here, this is the difference between the two. Here I write down and in this case I don't select any subject. And here I select and so, and for this reason I have to select he as a subject. The another example. The girl failed in the examination because she neglected her studies. Here the subordinate clause, she neglected her studies. So we have to put it at the beginning of the compound sentence. The girl neglected her studies and failed in the examination. Do you notice? Here, she and the girl. And we cannot avoid noun. If we find in the same sentences noun and pronoun, we have to select noun first to maintain the meaning. So here the girls come first. Use conjunction and if a complex sentence takes the conjunction of time, such as when, as soon as, no sooner, ... then, etc. When the sun was setting, the jailer entered the room of Socrates. What is the subordinate clause here? Here, when the sun was setting is the subordinate clause. So we have to take it at the beginning of the compound sentence. So the answer will be the sun was setting and the jailer entered the room of Socrates. The enemies fled as soon as they saw us. Here, as soon as they saw us is a subordinate clause. So it comes first of the compound sentence. The enemies saw us and fled at once. Do you notice here I select at once as a phrase in the compound sentence to maintain the meaning if we find as soon as or no sooner had in a complex sentence. Number 3. Use conjunction but when an adverb clause starts with the conjunction of although or though or even though or even if. Though he has merit, he is jobless. The answer will be he has merit but he is jobless. Another example. He leads a very happy life, although even though he is poor. So According to the rules and regulations from complex to compound, we have to select the subordinate clause at the beginning of the compound sentence. So regarding this, I have to put, or we have to put the subordinate clause at the beginning of the compound sentence. So here we will write down, he is poor but he leads a very happy life. Number 4. Use conjunction and when an adverb clause starts with if. If you eat balanced diet, you will keep fit. If you eat balanced diet, you will keep fit. Here, please notice the matter. The compound sentence begins with imperative mode, or at the beginning we have to select verb or main verb. Eat balanced diet and you will keep fit. Here we have to select imperative mode in the compound sentence if we find if in a complex sentence. So let us come to a final decision. If we find if clause in a complex sentence, we have to select if clause at the beginning of the compound sentence with imperative mood. With imperative mood, then and the main clause. Okay, this is the example. Eat balanced diet and you will keep fit. The another example, if you trust people, they will trust you. Trust people and they will trust you. You will become a good citizen if you obey the law. Can you tell me what is the subordinate clause here? Yes, if you obey the law is the subordinate clause. So we have to put it at the beginning of the compound sentence in an imperative mood. So the answer will be, obey the law and you will become a good citizen. Number 5. Use conjunction or when an adverb clause starts with if not or unless. If you do not study hard, you will fail. We will select main verb of the subordinate clause at first, then conjunction or then main clause. Study hard or you will fail. Here another example, you will be punished unless you speak the truth. Here unless you speak the truth represents the subordinate clause. So we have to take at the beginning of the compound sentence with imperative mood. So the answer will be, speak the truth or you will be punished. Another example, if you do not move, you will die. Can you guess what will be the answer? Yes, move or you will die. Number 6. Use very ... and or and so if an adverb clause starts with so ... that. In this situation, if we find so ... that in a complex sentence, we will just use very in place of so and in place of that. If you wish, we can select and so in place of and. But if we want to use and so, we have to put subject after and so. This is the difference between and so. If we wish if we use and, we cannot take subjects, and if we use and, so we have to use subject, whether it is the same or different subjects. Okay, so the answer will be, he spoke so strangely that the guest stood still. Here the things we have to do is that we have to take very in place of so, and or and so in place of that. Another example. The weather was so rough that we decided to stay indoors. What will be the answer? The answer will be, the weather was very rough and so we decided to stay indoors. Number 7. Use subject plus want oblique wants to for can oblique may, wanted to for could oblique might, plus V on means verb in the present form, plus and oblique and so plus main clause if an adverb clause starts with so that oblique in order that oblique that to show purpose. Della bargained with the shopkeepers so that she could save some money. The answer will be, here we are bound to set up the subordinate clause first, and here Della represents noun and she represents pronoun. Undoubtedly we have to select noun in place of pronoun at first. So Della wanted to save some money, and so or and she bargained with the shopkeepers. Here is the answer. Della wanted to save money, Della wanted to save some money and bargained with the shopkeeper. The girl is learning English in order that she can get a good job. Okay, the answer, here the girl and here she. So at first we will write down this portion. So we have to select here the girl as a subject in place of she. The girl wants to get a good job and is learning English. The girl wants to get a good job and so she is learning English. If we use and in place of and so, we will not select subject after and, because here the girl and she are the same subjects. Use subject plus verb plus dot dot plus and plus main clause plus it oblique this if the subordinate clause starts with that as a noun clause. Everybody admits that he is innocent. Here he is innocent is a noun clause and that as a connective, or here that acts as a connector. So at first we will write down he is innocent. He is innocent and everybody admits this or it. We believe that she is a spy. Here she is a spy and we believe this or it. She is a spy and we believe it oblique this or this. Number 9. Follow main clause plus and plus clause if the subordinate clause starts with a relative pronoun such as who, which, that as an adjective clause. Here we read Shakespeare's plays with a teacher. We read Shakespeare's plays with a teacher who made them very interesting indeed. If we find any relative pronoun and it indicates the object, what should we do if we want to turn it compound sentence? At first, we will write down the main clause without any change, or we will write down the words before who, or we will write down the portion before who is that. So, if we want to turn it compound sentence, at first we will write down we read Shakespeare plays with a teacher, and secondly we have to select and in place of who, and lastly according to the antecedent we have to select a suitable subjective form of pronoun. So the answer will be we read Shakespeare's plays with a teacher and he made them very interesting indeed. Notice here we use he as a subject following the antecedent a teacher. I had killed the bird which made the wind blow. Here the answer will be I had killed the bird and it made the wind blow. Here we put it because the antecedent the bird. Dear students, you can change compound sentences into complex sentences with the help of vice versa rules of complex sentences to compound sentences. So, try to do it at first, and after doing it, match the answers with the next slides. Though cricket is a costly game, people of all classes enjoy playing it. Compound. Number 2. He caught the thief but did not punish him. Number 3. Unless you use the morning hours of life, you have to pay a heavy price afterwards. Number 4. Use Facebook or you cannot keep pets in the modern world. Complex. Number 5. She believes that charity is a great virtue. At first, try to solve them. Then you can take help from the next slide. Okay? Now, match your answers. Though cricket is a costly game, people of all classes enjoy playing it. The answer will be cricket is a costly game, but people of all classes enjoy playing it. Number 2. He caught the thief but did not punish him. Complex. Although he caught the thief, he did not punish him. Number 3. Unless you use the morning hours of life, you have to pay heavy price afterwards. The answer will be use the morning hours of life or you have to pay a heavy price afterwards. Number 4. Use Facebook or you cannot keep pace with the modern world. Complex. Unless you use Facebook, you cannot keep pace with the modern world. If you wish, you can use if you do not in place of unless. So the answer will be if you do not use Facebook, you cannot keep pace with the modern world. She believes that charity is a great virtue. Okay? The answer will be charity is a great virtue and she believes it. So, dear students, now I am going to give you some homework and try to do them yourselves. And if you have any problem solving this, you can take help from me or another teachers. Okay? So we discussed from complex to compound and compound to complex. I believe that you are staying home and maintain the social distance to keep you safe and sound. So try to save yourself from COVID-19. We will discuss with another topic up in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.